Greetings everyone, welcome to Rockaway PR Research Presentation and Pitched. My name is Natalie Guzman Garcia and I will explain to you my capstone project research results and how my social media campaign will benefit my client. Rockaway PR was founded in 2005 by its principal rocker Alexis Knapp, who also founded Trescoy PR. Alexis Knapp is a young entrepreneur who has succeeded in the food and beverage and hospitality industries. Through the years, Ms. Alexis Knapp and her team have created targeted campaigns to customers locally, regionally, and nationwide. Through the strategic public relations and marketing campaigns, Rockaway has created opportunities for the client base, and it has a list of 35 clients between Miami and Orlando, Florida, offering services like public and media relations, materials and press kit development, culinary and hospitality consulting, special events planning, and marketing. Inside the Rockaway structure, we have Rockaway leadership, starting with Alexis Knapp as its principal, Terry Sarkian, Director of New Business and Development, Dota Carrington, Executive Director, Christine Profel, Account Manager, C. Major as a Senior Account Executive, and Jaylan Ochoa, Account Executive. The social media campaign that I plan to implement is to extend your social media sites by incorporating more in-depth details about what Rockaway does, for example, clients' work, referrals, and clients' reviews. I would also like to enhance your website by providing and demonstrating specific examples of what Rockaway specializes and how Rockaway is different from its competitors. The final goal for this campaign is to take Rockaway's profile to the next level by increasing its clients list and taking the brand to a level of recognition and success. Rockaway's current position is going up by being the only dedicated food and beverage PR agency in Orlando, Florida. Their vision is to connect with each business within the area to promote their brand and special events. The strategic public relations and marketing campaigns they have done has created opportunities for clients via trend forecasting, tailored pitches, personal relationships, and creative strategies. The PR efforts that have been initiated start with their social media sites like Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Rockaway PR target market is a group of single or married females and males between 25 and 35 years old, middle open level with an income of $25,000 to $50,000 annually. The target market for Rockaway is directed to hotels and restaurant owners around the Orlando and Miami areas. The clients' hobbies are traveling, visiting new restaurants, participation in social events, and reading. For my buyer persona, I have Amelia Johnson. She is the perfect buyer persona for Rockaway PR. Amelia is the owner of Blue Four Seasons restaurant in Miami, Florida. Amelia is 30 years old with a hunger of success and increasing her business. She is single and lives in a small apartment near Miami Beach. Her income is $40,000 a year as a chef. She loves magazines, kitchenware, clothing, collect wine bottles, and the beach. In her spare time, she likes to go shopping, watch movies, try new restaurants, traveling, and read magazines. She is persuasive, motivated, enthusiastic, creative, and a mom of a beautiful girl named Jessie. Amelia graduated from Valencia Community College, and she's actually pursuing a master's degree in wine, spirits, and beverage. Rockaway is a firm that takes place in a huge tourist section of Orlando and Miami, Florida. The company's three strongest competitors are Push, MMGY Global, and O'Brower. Rockaway shares some similarities with these companies. Some of them are that all of them are public relations firms in the area of Orlando and Miami, and all of them have big clients list. On the other hand, Rockaway differs from these other companies in the website details and concept. The founders of the other firms have more time in the industry than Ms. Alexis Knapp, and that Rockaway is Orlando's only dedicated food and beverage PR agency. Now we have our SWOT analysis. The strengths that Rockaway PR has are their locations, Orlando and Miami, Florida. These two locations are some of the most important in culinary arts and hospitality, which are the focus of Rockaway. Rockaway also has strong ethical values and ethical mission statements. On the weakness section, we have social media, which needs to be modified. Their website is not as interactive and informative as the other 3 other companies. On the opportunities section, we have new products and services that can make retail in their website and social media sites, such as offers for services. Rockaway also has the opportunity to expand its global operations, and they can also open a new location. On the threads, we have Rockaway, which is exposed to rises in the cost of products they use to get the client's work ready, and competitors around the area are growing very fast as well. Trends also change all the time, so Rockaway needs to always be aware of how updated is the company with seasons and trends. The primary research created will help me to have an idea of how to direct my campaign to my target audience. With this research, I will have the ability to create the perfect campaign to attract more clients to Rockaway and benefit the current clients based on the answers provided by the participants. By knowing their travel preference, I can prepare a campaign focusing on what the customer likes and needs. My quantitative research was a focus group. First, I brainstormed into topics related to my client. Since Rockaway is a public relations company dedicated to serve food and beverage industry and hospitality, I took the risk to do my survey about traveling, called "Is it traveling one of your hobbies?" The survey I created consisted in 10 questions. These questions were about the preference of traveling, budget, and restaurants. For my audience, I decided to select the people from my social media sites to take part of my survey. I made this choice because in my social media sites like Facebook and Twitter, I have a wide range of people who like or have interest in my industry, which is public relations, advertising, or graphic design. I used the link provided by SurveyMonkey.com to spread the word. The survey was displayed in my sites for a week, and the responses were kept in SurveyMonkey.com, where I was able to analyze all the data once everybody finished with their surveys. Some statistics results of my surveys are 83.33% of the people who took the survey like to travel on an airplane instead of a car. 100% of the people in my survey travel for personal reasons. 66.67% of the people travel with family. 83.33% when traveling stays at a house or apartment instead of a hotel. One question that I can use for the advantage of my campaign is that 66.67% of the people responded that they participate in social events. This detail can help me create a campaign focusing on social events in the area of Orlando and Miami. On the pitch, the plans I have for Rockaway are to update their social media sites, create an interactive and informative website, participate in clients' upcoming events, and increase level of recognition by establishing advertisements for the new features in their website and social network sites. Thank you for watching.